How to adjust picture size in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're looking to master your iPhone's photo editing capabilities, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Photos app and go to the image that you want to adjust. Then go to the slider icon on the bottom. This is where you edit things. So this will bring up the editing tools, and then look for the crop tool at the bottom. And then now you can easily grab the corners of the images, and then you can make it rectangular, you can make it square, you can just resize it any way you wish. And then that's it. Just drag the corners to your desired size. It's super simple and gives you a lot of flexibility, and you can just hit done. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.